upside down. This is sketchy. So sketchy. Whoa. Alright, let's get on this sand. Hold up.
A few moments later.
Yeah, a little push wouldn't hurt. Alright, now we're on the sand. Woo! Well, there it is. That was incredible. Well, I've added a few things. These were the saddlebags that came with it. I had those in the back of my car. This is the single seater that I had. I just packed away the passenger seat. And I'm not sure how it feels. That's nice. Got some back support. That's always pleasant. My next step is to find some Allen wrenches that'll fit these screws, and these I should be able to take off and replace pretty easily. But this further up oxidization here and here, that'll be a little more difficult to take care of. I can probably replace that too. Now, I didn't know what the keyhole down here did, but apparently it unlocks the seat, which gives you access to the battery and stuff. I'm gonna find a lead or something that was on my previous bike that will allow me to plug in my GoPro and other accessories into the battery. And so yeah, the key, I heard a clunk. I was like, oh, did I just like put in a security brake or something? I don't know. But no, it releases the seat. I don't know how. I mean, it could be up there, but it could be over here too. More likely over here. But yeah, that'll be the next step. And then lastly, I sort of figured out how to replace this heel toe shifter. It's that screw down there, but I want to make sure that that's the only part first, but there aren't any YouTube videos on it, so I'm going to ask a mechanic. But that should be an easy replacement. Now, further look, the oxidization I pointed out here, there's actually not much at all. It might just be dirty, honestly. I don't know why I thought there was some there. That's what I remembered from the other day, I guess. But yeah, that's the update. Alrighty, I found my license plate. This time I don't need to zip tie it on because it came with these handy dandy little screws. In other news, I got that rusted key out. I thought of throwing away, but maybe someday I'll put in the effort to fix those locks. And then I got my phone mount as well. The freaking cats and their muddy paw prints have been climbing all over my motorcycle. Look at this mess. Cats.
Oh my gosh. So lovely.
This is my dad with no beard. This is me with no beard. We still have our beards, but looks pretty weird. What you just saw was the beginning of a crazy day. I had just left the driveway. I didn't have my high beams on yet, and there was brush all over the road. Keep in mind, the power was out when I woke up, and it was Very strong winds, strongest winds I've ever seen in New Hampshire all day long. So that rubble that I just swerved around turns out to be the top of this. This tree has been kind of sketchy for a long time. You see this whole splitting part right here? Came from up there, and for a while it had been splitting from the tree. You can see that part right there has been exposed to the elements for a while, and it kept splitting farther and farther. And the massive windstorm we had was the last thing, final push it needed, and all the way to the road as a result. I can't get any further than this without going. I got pine pitch on me, dadgummit. There we go. I had to get off the log, unfortunately. But anyways, by the time I got to the road, there was almost nothing solid to get out on the road, and so it was basically like thin rubble. But yeah, hit the lines right here, caused 7 houses to lose their power. This is what happens when a grocery store loses its power. Got all the coolers covered up, and they've got all the doors open. Sorry for the crappy quality. I'm using my work phone for this. Look at that. It's crazy. Check out this old thing. Rust bucket. Nice. Right there. There's the whole entire road sign down. The wind has been destroying those signs too. And you can see on top of the place I just delivered to, there's a little black piece up there that got ripped up. Wind is wild here. Up ahead is the dust storm. Look at that. That's absolutely bonkers. Weather is crazy. It's gonna be 45 degrees tomorrow. Doesn't make sense, but whatever.